What's going on, guys? So in today's video I will show you how you can upload your own shirt in Roblox. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Alright, so before you upload, open up a web browser and go to Creator Hub. Now here you can go to documentation and click on avatar, and here click on publishing to marketplace. Alright, so here go through this documentation so you will have all the necessary information you need, and also to avoid violating the guidelines and having your account suspended or banned. And once you read all of these things, you can now go to dashboard, and from this one you can go to creations and go to avatar items. So here you can select what type of item you are going to upload. So you can click on the drop down list in here and choose whichever one you are making. So I will just choose classic t-shirt here. Now after that you can click on upload asset, and here you can click on this upload button, and it is going to let you choose the file you want to upload. So I saved my file here in my pictures, and let's go with this one here. So let's click on open. Now after that you can give it a name and you can give it a description. So here I will just put here simple t-shirt test, and after that click on upload. So once that's done, you will see it here. So we notice that we have now a t-shirt with our design. Now what you have to do next is click on this design, and here make sure to enable on sale option. So you need to put an amount of how much this item would be. So just remember that Roblox is going to take 30% from your original price. So if you are going to price this at, let's say, 100 Robux, you are going to get 70 Robux, and the Roblox company is going to get 30 Robux from this one. Now once you're happy with this one, you can go ahead and click on publish, but also remember that you need to have at least 10 Robux on your account so you will be able to put this on the marketplace. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.